A very nice good morning to all of you. I am Prashant Anand, a student of BCA PPU second year batch 1. Today I am here with my Drupal website project. So firstly I have to say thank to our respected Neeraj sir for giving me this opportunity to present my site here. Before I start the tour of my project, I want to say this project is totally dedicated to women, and the main theme of this project is to the women empowerment. Basically, in this site, we have providing the empowerment schemes for the women, NGOs, and the courses and trainings for them. As we all know that the women is mostly unsafe in our country, but this website will help her to prevent from any insecurities. Now let's have a tour. As you can see here, this is the main home page, and here I have added the menu section. First menu is safety tips. When you click here, you will be go into a page section where the safety tips which is globally given by UN is written here, and there is a arrow. Whenever you click here, it will scroll to the next. So this is how this safety tip section work. Now come to our next news section. In news section, it will show the all the breaking news, and it will automatically moved. And if you want to move manually, you can also click with the arrows which is given right over here. Then come to the next menu is course section. As you all know that the a educated person can have self-dependent, so we have provided some of the course which is provided by some of the biggest company for the women empowerment, and here is at currently 5 courses we have providing. Now move to the next blog. So here is the blog site where all the famous personalities which makes voice regarding the women empowerment and their thoughts is written here. As you can see, the first one is Indira Gandhi, and so many women leaders are here. Then move to next NGO section. The NGO section provides the facility to the women, which NGOs section will provide the facility to women to see the NGOs and the organization which works for the women welfareness. Then come to, and here are some of the NGOs list and their descriptions below written here, so that if anyone wants to take a prescription from the NGOs and to contact with them, they can join from here. After NGO, we have provided the help desk section where all the important and emergency phone numbers and phone calls are available, and we have written the help desk purpose in this site. Now here about us section. This section shows about our site and about our company, which is related to women empowerment and which help the women to be safe in this social. And above this, you can see here a Google map which is added for the women for the safety purpose for women, and here we have added a location of police station. This will update when you move, and it will track your GPS, and according to GPS it will show you the nearest police station and their route from your destination. Then at last, this section is about our site and the description of our site. So this is all about our site. At the end, I will say यत नारी पूजयन्ते तत रमन्ते देवता. It means in Hindi that जहाँ नारी की पूजा होती है वहीं देवता का वास होता है. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.